Hello everyone, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys an easy, festival, funky makeup look, and I'm really excited about this one. This is how it looks like, and to be honest with you guys, this was so easy to create. You honestly just need an eyeliner and your favorite eyeshadows and you're set. That's all. Before I go ahead and dive into this makeup tutorial, if you are new here to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and taking your time to watch my video. It really means a lot to me. And if you guys haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I would love to have you guys a part of the life family that I have here on my channel. So if you guys would like to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. Alrighty, let's go ahead and start with this look. It's really fun, to be honest with you guys. It is super fun to do and also super easy as well. So the first thing I went ahead and I did is that I did go ahead and prime my eyes, and I used the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Now I am going right away with the liner, and I'm going to go ahead and create the liner, and I'm going to be using the Urban Decay liners. This is the 24/7 ink in 0, and I'm also using the white one, and this one here is called Ozone, and Ozone is going to go on the outer part and it's also going to go in the inner part, and 0 is going to be the one that is right there, kind of like the cut crease moment. So we're going to go ahead and start off with 0. We're going to be trying our best to have it match up. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start it I always like to start my liner from the outer corners. I don't know, for me I find it's the easiest. I guess this is how I got used to it, and I'm just gonna go outwards with this, and I'm going to wave it a bit or curl it, and now I'm gonna go all the way down with that. They're not the same, but it's okay. We're just gonna move forward, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start cleaning up the liner to make it more straight. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the white, and I'm gonna go ahead and create this kind of a curl wave kind of look. So I'm just gonna take it and join it with the black, and then I'm just going to curl it and then bring it inwards like this, and then I'm just gonna make it thick. Now I'm just going to try my best to blend it with the black to have it nicely blended together. And I'm going to go ahead and create the outer wing from the lower part. And I'm going to also try to curl it a bit, like wave it, doing this kind of motion. And I'm going to be extending it. And that's that. Now the fun part is to go ahead and fill it up. I went ahead with kind of like a pinky purpley kind of tone, but you can use any colors that you want. I also decided to go kind of like a lime greenish yellow at the bottom too. Again, you can use any color that you want. I am still exploring my Beauty Pay eyeshadow palettes, these right here, and I have a few that I'm just digging into, to be honest. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dive in and show you the colors that I'm using, since I'm using a whole bunch today. So I'm just gonna show you the palette, and I'm just gonna tell you the color's name. First color is this brown right here, and this is from the Jungle Book palette, and this color is so pretty. I will leave their names all in the description box down below. It just makes it easier for you to kind of just go ahead and read it if you want to follow along. If not, like I said, you can go ahead and use any colors that you want. And this brownish color is going to be on the outer corners inside the little bubble that we created. This is just gonna go inside, and this is going to be hugging the black liner. So I'm just gonna put it like this. I'm not bringing it all the way in, I'm just doing the edges at first. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this deeper purple color, and this is from the Chashire's Cat palette, and I'm just gonna take it with an eyeshadow brush, and this is going to be with the brown. So I'm just gonna go ahead and create a blended effect. Now I'm not sure if this color is going to stain. I have a feeling that it might stain. If it did, then I will let you know somewhere on the screen. But I don't really mind it, to be honest. But if you don't want the eyeshadows to stain, I would highly recommend that you conceal and just have some sort of a layer under any bright colors that you think that it might stain. Just have it under it, so like that when you remove your makeup, it won't stain as much. It will still stain, I find, but it won't stain as much. The next purple I'm diving in is this purple right here, and this is also from the Jungle Book palette. And I'm just gonna take the other side of my brush, and I'm going to be packing this color in the middle. And again, you need to make sure that you're always blending it with the previous color that you're applying, so like that it looks like nicely blended together. And this is just gonna go all the way down. And if you feel like the new color that you're putting on is overtaking the color previously, just go back a little bit with the previous color like I'm doing right now. So I'm going back into that dark purple, and I'm just going to repack it to make sure it's nicely blended together and make it pop a little bit more. And then you can go back to the first color. For my case is the dark brownish kind of tone, and I'm just gonna go back in there and then take my brush again and blend it. If you feel like there's some fallout, just take your brush and clean it off. Make sure that you do have some sort of powder under your eye just for the fallouts. Next, I'm going to be taking this light pink shade, and this is from the Dumbo palette, and I feel like this one honestly is one of my favorite palettes out of all four that I have from this collection. But this one here is really pretty, and I'm gonna grab this pink. Now this pink is gonna be somewhat hidden because we are putting a shimmery color in the inner corners, but we still need it there because it does kind of somewhat peeks through. So I'm just going to pack this pink in the inner corners. Now for that shimmery white that we have in the inner corners, I am taking my Ciate London Royal Edition eyeshadow palette, and I'm grabbing this color right here. It is a bright white shade. Now if you are doing a blue theme, let's say, then it's nicer if you kind of take like a really light shimmery blue that you can pop in the inner corners. I honestly couldn't find around like a pink kind of color, and to be honest, I'm just very lazy to look around my collection. So I found this white one, and I'm like, you know what, we'll use this white. It's actually really pretty. So I'm just gonna grab this color, and this one is called Diamonds, and this one is going to go in the inner corners of the eye right here, and you're just gonna pack it in. And you can blend it with that white liner too, so it kind of creates a really nice effect. Now for that lime green kind of look, to be honest, I mixed a whole bunch of yellows and greens together. So the first one is this one right here, and this is from the Chashire's Cat, and I'm just taking it with a pencil brush, and I'm going to be putting that all over the lower lash line, bringing it all the way out. This is kind of the first base. With a color like this, I do find it's a little bit difficult to make it pop. Now what you can do is, if you have a white base, kind of like a jumbo pencil or whatnot, the one that comes in mind would be the NYX jumbo pencil, which would be great, that you can just put in as a primer, as a base, and then that's definitely going to make any color like this pop. But me, again, just being lazy, I just didn't go ahead and apply the white. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mix these two colors right here, and this is from the Jungle Book palette. So I'm mixing just a bit of both, and I'm going to be putting that on the outer corners just to start giving the lower lash line a little bit of dimension. And then I'm taking this dark green, and this is from the Mad Hatter palette, also from Beauty Bay, and this one is just gonna go on the outer corners like this, just to give it a little bit dimension. Last but not least is a yellow, and I'm grabbing this yellow right here. This is from the Dumbo palette with the same brush, and I'm going to pack this yellow on the inner corners. I should pack it a bit more here too, to be honest, because it's pretty. It's a really nice pigmented yellow. It's a pastel yellow, but it's like a pigmented yellow. You see that? It's actually really pretty. Now for the inner corners, I'm going to be using this green liner, also from Urban Decay, the 24/7 ink, and this one here is called Freak. And I'm just gonna go ahead and create an extended inner corner wing. So I'm just gonna go grab this green and create a little wing. Next, I'm going to be applying this yellow eye pencil, and this is from MAC, and this is called Primary Yellow, and this is the chromographic pencil liners. My top favorite colored pencils for inside the eyes, you guys. These are phenomenal. I feel like they are super underrated. Not a lot of people talk about them, but they are the best, and they are extremely pigmented as well. And if you have a MAC store, these are only available at the MAC Pro stores. So if you have a MAC Pro store, then you will find it. And I think if not, and if you want to save yourself some time, and I believe they do sell them online if you are interested. So that is it for the eyes. It's pretty simple, it's pretty easy. And now we're gonna go ahead and apply the lashes and also the little gems as well. The lashes that I am using, it's a brand called Ioni, and these are the Wispy Dramatics, and they look like this. And also for the lower lash line, I'm actually applying this yellowish greenish mascara, and it looks a bit more greenish. It is a little bit more green, like a lime green, I would say. And this is from NYX, and this is the color mascara. I'm not sure if they still have these available, to be honest with you guys. And this one here is called Perfect Peer, and I'm just going to be applying that on my lower lashes. And then I'm going to be applying some black gems, and these are from Amazon. And also just for the mascara, for the top part, I'm using my Murette Clean mascara, which is my top favorite one. So I'll do all of that off camera, and I'll be back to show you guys the face makeup. Alrighty, you guys, this is the eyes. The eyes are done, and to be honest, this is quite fun, you know. It's a fun look. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my bronzer. This is my Too Faced bronzer, Soleil bronzer, and I'm just going to chisel my face with this. I did apply a little bit of it earlier today, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply some more because why not? This has been my top favorite bronzer. So for blush, I'm going to be taking my Juvia's Place blush palette, and I'm gonna grab this pink right here, and this is called Leena, and this is from the Sharan blush palette volume 2. So I'm gonna take this and I'm going to pack it on my face. These blushes are the best. I just saw that Juvia's Place came out with liquid blushes. Girl, if their powder blushes is amazing, so imagine their liquid blushes. They must be phenomenal, and I need to get my hands on some of those. I'm gonna take a little bit of the peachy tone too, called Tau, and I'm just going to blend it together. I'm gonna take Tau and I'm gonna put it up here. This look quite funky, so might as well just get really funky with it and apply some blush on your temples. I'm going to apply some on the nose as well and on the lip. For highlight, I'm going to be using the Glamlit and Mikayla highlighter. This one is really good. I'm not gonna lie, this highlighter is really good. So I'm just gonna go and highlight my face with this. Let's go ahead and add some beauty marks. Now I am breaking out, which is great because I always like to mask my breakouts with some beauty mark, and I'm going to be using my freckles. So I'm just gonna go in and apply a couple of beauty marks on my face. First is this big pimple right next to my eye, right here. And that needs to be camouflaged ASAP. For lips, I'm going to be using my Hover lip liner from MAC. This is no longer available. They have discontinued this color. I'm so sorry, you guys. But if you have any nude lip liner that you love, go ahead and grab. And I'm going to be taking this lipstick from Milani, and this one here is called Pleasure, and it's a nice nude color. So pretty. I don't know if I want to put gloss. I think I'm just gonna keep it like this. It looks good like that. Don't forget to set your face. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Setting Spray. This smells so good. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and fix up my hair and put a nice top on, and I'll be back to finish this video with you guys. Alright, you guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I absolutely love this look. I had so much fun creating it, and to be honest, I'm just really surprised on how easy it is. Did you guys find it easy? Let me know. If you guys are planning to recreate this look, please do tag me on my socials. I'm very active on Instagram. If you are planning to post a picture or even a reel, just go ahead and tag me under LBBYND, and I would love to see your art and I would love to see your looks. I cannot stop looking at myself. I totally love this look. It is so fun and so fresh, and I feel like it's perfect for summer, especially if you have any festivals. This is the perfect look for a festival. Like always, all the products that I use in my video is going to be in the description box down below. Also, if you have any comments or concerns, just leave them all in the comments down below, and I'll try my best to answer each and one of you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.